So what's up, guys? Today, as a part of my social distancing measures of trying not to go on an appointment, I actually ended up coming out to scoop up this house. There's nobody here, it's completely vacant, but it is a very rundown house. So again, got this off of cold calling, and we are basically in the process of wholesaling it right now, even though we are in the coronavirus crisis. So we have already negotiated a price that's going to work. This is actually a new construction, so it's a little bit easier to get lending on it, and it'll definitely be something that'll move very, very quickly. We are really excited about this, especially in the times that we're in. There is a shelter in place order placed for Mecklenburg County. So that means all of Charlotte is going to be, only essential personnel are going to be out and available in the street. The surrounding counties haven't followed, but pretty sure they will, because Mecklenburg is kind of like the boss around here. If they do it, everybody else does it. But in this point in time of fear and complete, I guess you could say, what's the word I'm looking for, uncertainty, opportunities come about, and this one's a great one. Even though the house is in poor condition, this is a total teardown, there more than likely is going to be new construction here, which land value here is pretty well sought after, just because you could build a house here for 120 grand and sell it for almost 320. So definitely a great opportunity. So also, while I'm here, I'm going to take some drone shots, and you guys have probably never seen me fly my drone before. I'm going to show you guys how I take my drone shots and what I take my drone shots of. Alright, so I know it's kind of windy right now, and unfortunately this microphone, I can't plug in my regular mic to take pictures of this. But you definitely want to make sure that you're in a safe place in order to fly your drone, if you do have a drone. Just because you definitely don't want to, accidentally hurt somebody, or hurt yourself as well. And also try to practice before you fly. So here we go. Alright, I'm gonna walk over here so that way I can try to avoid the wind a little. So my brightness is all the way up on my drone, or on my iPad. I didn't bring my sun shield, so that way you guys could take a look and see what I'm taking a picture of. It doesn't look that great. But how about this? Let me start with a video so you can see what this thing looks like. There we go. So you can see, we're looking at the entire roof, as well as some of the front. Give a little shot up here. Goes the other houses that are there next to it. Down here. Now basically what you could do is come all the way up, take a nice little shot of the actual place, so you get a full-on view of the lot. And that way, like, developers, I know I'm moving kind of fast, but developers can see, what it is that they're going to build on. I have all the settings set to automatic, just in case anybody's wondering. That way I'm not fighting with it. But here's the whole street right here. There's nobody behind here. There's nobody, oh wait, look, there's some people walking through there. Might be homeless people, because there is a forest back here. Gotta be careful. But you know what, I lost my train of thought here. But yeah, this is pretty much it on some of the stuff that we take pictures of. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures of the exterior. Even though this is a teardown, I still like my investors to take a look at what they're buying. So I'm gonna shut the video off here and I'm gonna post these pictures up. So here we go. And I'm narrating this from the field. I am not at home in my office. I am taking the pictures from here. You can probably hear my drone in the background. So I got the side here first. And in case you're wondering what I'm flying, I am flying a DJI Mavic Pro. Oh crap. I almost crashed it. I think I'm not gonna be able to take a good picture of this, but I'll take one anyway. Take one of each side. DJI Mavic Pro, not the Mavic 2. I'm not balling like that. It's a great drone. It is my biggest thing. I used to have a Phantom 3, but my biggest problem with it was not portable at all. So this one is extremely portable and has been, has always worked well. I love this thing. Ooh, close to some trees. So I'm only going to take a couple of pictures up here just because there's a lot of trees, and I know that I could crash this thing at any minute, and I definitely don't want to crash my drone and have to go fetch it because I don't know what kind of snakes are awake. It's really warm today. It's like 70 degrees. But this is a great way, or a great presentation point for your buyers, especially, if, there's a lot of out-of-state buyers that they don't actually come see the property, or they have their realtor come look at it. And you want them to be able to have the best representation of the property as possible, even if they can't be here. That's why I pride myself on my photography skills, in a sense. I'm not saying I'm the best, but I like to make sure that these people have everything that they need. I want them to be at the property without physically being there. And that way they can make an accurate decision of what they're gonna do, as far as, like what they can do at the property, what's around the property. Like this one's pretty cool. You guys seen this in a dead-end street. It has no neighbors. I've actually contacted the landowners nearby to see if they were interested in selling, and none of them are really interested at the moment. It is next to a semi-luxury, I call it a B-class apartment complex. It's pretty nice in there too. So that's pretty much it. So we got everything that we need now. Here's a little shot of the front here. Basically, we took a couple of pictures of soffit and fascia, some of the roof, some of the siding. I took some pictures with my iPhone as well. I have a wide angle lens from Sandmark. I don't have it in my pocket, or else I'd show you guys. But basically, we wanted to, just give a good representation of the property, what it currently looks like. And I'm trying to be careful not to step on a snake. But it's pretty much good to go. So you guys got to see me fly the drone. I know it wasn't really a drone instructional video, but you got to see a little bit of like what I do when I go to certain properties, or when I go out to a lot of these properties. I always take drone shots. I always take, as many pictures as I possibly can, as well as I take as, just I document as much as I can. Document on paper, document with, my pictures. I'll go through them later and look at all the information I gathered. That way I can provide, my buyers, my end buyers, as much information as they can possibly have in order to make a sound decision on what they're going to do, especially right now with the market so crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed that, and as always, if you're watching this on Instagram, shoot me a like, as well as if you're watching this on YouTube, like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon. That way you can be notified of some of the videos that I drop. I'm gonna keep posting as much as I can, especially during this quarantine process. I'm gonna try to quarantine myself from as many people as possible. So take it easy, guys. I'll catch you later.